Today we're going to be installing one of the roll-up tonneau covers on the Dodge Ram. It is the Tyger brand. We got it off Amazon, and in theory this should be a smooth process, hopefully so, but we decided we needed a tonneau cover because with all of our trips, especially when we take the dogs, the cab is not big enough to hold all of us and our stuff. So we wanted something to be able to protect it from the weather when we're going down the road and when we're parked at our locations and all. So we got this one. Hopefully it goes smooth. All right, so it came with your clamps, instructions, your side rails, and then the actual cover itself came in this little carry bag. You're supposed to only need a ratchet wrench, 10mm socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. It also came with this, which says is additional foam if your truck does not already have a bed liner in it. All right, so first step is to put the cover up against the cab and lay out your side rails, and we're going to loosen this screw, slide the side rails in, and tighten it back up. So, cover, side rails, screw. Okay. Then retighten the screw. Okay, same thing on the other side. Okay, and put your screw back. All right, so next step is to line up your side rails, and then depending on how many clamps you have, how you space them, we've got 6 clamps, so space them evenly and not tighten until the cover is fitted. Okay, so here's your clamp. You want this part to be on the bottom, and this part comes on the top. Since we've got 3, we're gonna space them 1, 2, 3 up halfway. So it comes under here, goes into there, and you're not gonna tighten it all the way because you wanna make sure your cover is in place before you do that. Otherwise, you're gonna have to undo it a million times. And then same thing on the other side. Middle. Like that. And then you use your 10mm socket wrench. So the instructions say don't tighten these until you get the cover stretched, but I feel like if you don't tighten it at least some, then this is going to slide, your whole rails are going to slide. So we're going to tighten them a little bit, stretch the cover, and then go back and tighten the rest away. That should be good. So do that on all 6, and then you're ready to stretch your cover over so that you can make sure it fits lined up right. All right, so you're gonna undo your safety straps. And you wanna make sure it has crossbars. Come over here. It has crossbars here, so, and they kind of bow up. So you wanna make sure that they do that all the way down and that you don't accidentally misposition them. Otherwise, it says water will pool in the center of. So as you undo it, to make sure it stays straight, you want to be lining it up with your Velcro, keeping it tight as you go. Okay, so then once you get all this off camera, we did a lot of adjustments because you need to make sure that this is lined up with the edge. So you can see we had to slide the bars in on both sides of the truck so that this was lined up with that. Then it comes down like that. And for some reason, we just don't know. It's probably just an idiosyncrasy with the truck, but there is a little bit of a gap here on this side. And on this side, the seal is much better, so we'll see. Then to open it, you pull on those and roll it up. Once you get it all back rolled up, whenever you're not going to use it, this just goes through that loop there, and you pull to snug it so it doesn't go anywhere you don't want it to. Hard to do that one-handed. There you go. And pull to snug. And there you have it.